How to sign out of YouTube account or log out of YouTube. Signing out of your YouTube account or maybe logging out of your YouTube app is a fairly simple process. But these are different processes for iPhones and Android. Now what you have to do is first, let's launch a YouTube app. You were saying that you would like to remove this YouTube account from your YouTube app or to just remove from device completely. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right. Then there you can find the option switch account. So what you have to do is just go to that switch account button. Now, if you were using an iPhone, what happens is that you would find the option at the bottom that says use YouTube signed out. So that would be perfectly easy if you were using YouTube signed out. But then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you're using an Android. Now, for the case of Android, you have to remove the YouTube account, which is also your Google account, from your Android device itself. So from here, go to the option that says manage account, and here you will see a list of Google accounts that you have. Depending upon which one you want to remove, tap on a certain one, then tap on remove account, then tap the remove account button to do so. This way you can sign out of YouTube. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.